Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Strain. Strain means force tending to pull or stretch something to extreme or damaging degree. For example, the usual type of chair puts an enormous strain on the spine. The usual type of chair puts an enormous strain on the spine. Synonyms: tension, tightness, tautness.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. What sorts of new plant strains are succeeding? Now, repeat after me. What sorts of new plant strains are succeeding? The second exemplar. Had the inhabitants bred a strain of non-drinking animals? Now, repeat after me. Had the inhabitants bred a strain of non-drinking animals? The third exemplar. Commercial livestock are generally produced by crossing breeds, strains, or lines. Now, repeat after me. Commercial livestock are generally produced by crossing breeds, strains, or lines.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
25% of the world's population speaks at least some English.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.